Hola a todos, en este video les voy a mostrar unas cuantas fotos. Nota, este video me lo pidió una amiga.
I occasionally think how quickly our differences worldwide would vanish if we were facing an alien threat from outside this world. And yet, I ask you, is not an alien force already among us?
Looks like you got an object right in front of you. Mark, looking out there. Discovery, you were sending you an order to stay major. Sparkling bed of diamonds out there. A real picture, or we're just getting some video fuzz?
I don't know what it is. That one is really impressive.
There are, on the other side of the coin, at least 5 states of the objects were not ice particles, therefore spacecraft. And they were either extraterrestrial or terrestrial, obviously.
We have an unidentified flying object.